Stromboli eruption has started. This is a stratovolcano which has its own island. It's an island called after the volcano and is inhabited. Actually, there is a village there. It has started erupting. You can see lava fountaining out of the volcano, and the daylight you can see that there is a stream of lava. This is the style of the Stromboli eruptions. Fountains of lava are not more than a few hundred meters or tens of meters, and the lava flow is not also very big. It's just continuously coming down from the downhill, sometimes some pyroclastics. It's a mixture of all the goodies that you can have with a volcano in a beautiful landscape of the Mediterranean, Italy. As you can see, the beautiful sea around you, and the Amalfi Coast is on the other side. Of course, the village there, you can go there and have a rest there. There's a tiny stream of the lava is flowing, mostly forming sometimes a little bit slope, other kind of hoi when they are very hot. As you can see in the thermal image, they are not very hot yet. Well, the fountains of this is beautiful in the dusk or during the night when you can actually look at it. The crater itself is big. In this image, you can see the crater. It's quite large for its size. For the size of the island, the crater is big. And it has pyroclastic eruption associated with these lava bombs and the lapilli coming out of these molten rocks, spewing and erupting, springing out of this volcano. As I mentioned, there is a village down there. You can see just down the image. Here, this is the village of the Stromboli, and the rest of it is just a volcano on the other side. It's a beautiful landscape. The beach is full of pumice. It's kind of, bubbly rocks. And they're very light. They're nice. You can use it for cleaning your feet in the bathroom or scrubbing. That's a good choice.